Assalamu alaikum dear student. How are you all? I hope you are all fine. Today we are going to start the reading of Science Class 4, Unit number 1. Living things and their needs. Plants and animals are living things. All living things have their basic needs to stay alive. Almost every living thing has same basic needs. They need air, water, light, food and a place to live. Life is not possible without these essential things. Number 1, air. Air is a mixture of several gases such as oxygen, carbon dioxide and nitrogen. Oxygen makes up around 21% of the air. Most living things use oxygen to get energy from food. Oxygen may come from air or may be dissolved in water. We take in oxygen from air. Fish take in oxygen that is dissolved in water. Plants also need oxygen. Oxygen is produced in their leaves during food making process. They release extra oxygen in the air. A fish uses its gills to get oxygen. This is the gills. Most land animals breathe through lungs. Lungs. Sea divers, mountaineers, and astronauts carry oxygen cylinder to use oxygen to breathe. This is the oxygen cylinder. Carbon dioxide make up only less than 1% of the air, but this gas is very important for plants. Plants need carbon dioxide to make food. Burning of coal and other fuel produces carbon dioxide. Animal also breathe out carbon dioxide. Green plants use carbon dioxide, water, and sunlight to make their food. Animals also use this food. Nitrogen. Nitrogen makes up around 78% of the air. All living things need nitrogen for the growth of their bodies. Plants also use nitrogen to make food. Animals get nitrogen when they eat plants. Eggs, meat, and pulses contain mostly nitrogen. Water. Living things from tall trees to small earthworms need water to survive and grow. Plants need water to make their own food. Fish and many other animals need water to get oxygen and food from water. Water makes up about two-thirds of our body. Water helps to digest our food. Water in the blood carries food and oxygen to every part of the body. It also helps to carry waste out of our body. Water keeps our body at suitable temperature. The water in sweat carries heat away from our body. The desert dwelling kangaroo rat never drinks, it gets water from its food. Light. Light is also a basic needs of living things. Plants make their food by using the energy of sunlight. Plants look green because they contain a green material called chlorophyll. Chlorophyll traps sunlight energy. Plants use this energy to make food in leaves. Most animals also need light to stay healthy. We all need some sun exposure. It helps our bodies to absorb more calcium for stronger, healthier bones. Sunlight is very important for our bones. A place to live. All living things need a place to live. This living place is called habitat. A habitat has all of the things that living things need to survive. Some living things need some space to live. Others may live in a small area. Some living things live on land and some live in water. A parrot needs a hole to live. Fish live in water. A rhinoceros needs more space. Cactus plants are found in desert. This is called the habitat. Food. All living things need food. Food gives them energy. Food also gives raw materials for the growth of their babies. Living things use nutrients from food to build body parts. Some living things make their own food. Plants take nutrients from soil. They use sun's energy to make food from water and carbon dioxide. Plants are producers. Some living things use the food made by plants. Animals such as cow, horse, deer, etc. eat plants as food. Some animals such as lion, dog, snake, etc. eat the meat of other animals. Animals are consumers. Some living things get their food by breaking down the bodies of dead animals and plants. Mushrooms grow on the soil that contains dead plants and animals. Mushrooms are decomposers. How do animals and plants get what they need? Bird use nest for shelter. Leaves get sunlight and carbon dioxide. A cheetah uses its tongue to get water. Stems carry water and food. Roots get water and minerals. Exercise. Fill in the circle of the correct option. We use dash to breathe. Oxygen. Which gas is used by plants to make food? Carbon dioxide. About 2/3 of our body is made up of water. Green materials in plant is called chlorophyll. The living place of living thing, a habitat. Which one is a decomposer? Mushrooms. The living thing which makes its own food, producer. Our food give us energy. Okay dear student, now we are doing our questions answers. Question number 1. What are the basic needs of most living things? Answer. Air, water, live food and a place to live are the basic need of most living things. Question number 2. How is carbon dioxide important? Answer. Plants use carbon dioxide to make food. Question number 3. What are some uses of water in our bodies? Water helps us to digest food. Number 2, water helps in circulation of blood. Number 3, water helps to remove waste from the body. Question number 4, how do plants make food? Answer. Plants use water and carbon dioxide to make food. This process takes place in the presence of sunlight and chlorophyll. Question number 5, what are decomposers? Also give their examples. Answer. The living things which break down dead bodies of living things into simple form are called decomposers. Bacteria and fungi are decomposers. Okay, fill in the blanks using the following science words. In the body of a plant, chlorophyll traps sunlight energy. Sea divers and astronauts carry oxygen cylinders to breathe. Dash makes up about 78% of the air. Nitrogen. Plants are producers. Consumers are the living things that use food made by plants. Science fun. Look at the diagram given below. Explain the rat of which box can survive the longest. Box A, box B, box C, box D. Students, you can do this at your own. Okay, student. Allah Hafiz.